Honda's 30th anniversary Africa Twin sits in that rare sweet spot, desirable, usable and genuinely built for real riding, not just looking the part. This one's ultra-low mileage and fitted with the full adventure specification. Akrapovic titanium exhaust with baffles. Deep, clean, purposeful sound without being antisocial. Genuine Honda aluminium luggage. Heated grips. Givi touring screen. Low seat fitted for everyday comfort. And the original seat and screen come with it. Protection is proper. Touratech crash bars, bash plate, clutch guard, carbon tank shield, fog lamps, 12-volt socket. Controls upgraded too. Revolver gear lever. Trigger rear brake, adjustable anodised levers. Even the original bash plate is included. Honda's rider electronics on this generation are the real win. Switchable rear ABS, 7-stage traction control, 3 power levels, 3 engine braking stages, plus gravel, urban, tour, and fully custom user mode. Africa Twin earned its reputation the real way. Easy to live with, dependable and hugely capable on or off tarmac. Owners say the same thing. It just works, every time. 2 keys, service book, owner's manual, 4 services done, last at 5,737 miles. Workshop inspection completed before sale, all fluids checked and replaced where needed. With 35 plus years in the business, we're experts in distance selling, appraising and preparing age, mileage and condition-appropriate motorcycles. But viewing the bike in person is always the best way to ensure you understand its condition and appreciate its true value, especially for buyers seeking a brand new experience from a second-hand machine. Alternatively, if you can't visit and you're comfortable buying from a distance, we've got you covered. Our website features 40-plus high-quality images and a detailed video, forming a key part of the bike's description and highlighting real-world use and important details. After all, a confident purchase starts with the right mindset. £180 nationwide delivery within 7 working days. Live under 100 miles away. Contact us for a tailored quote. Tyres and MOT. All our bikes are supplied with at least 6 months MOT and tyres with a minimum of 50% tread. Open Monday to Friday and Saturday mornings by pre-arranged appointment. HP and PCP, finance available. If PCP isn't showing, please contact us directly. User-friendly finance calculator can be found on our website, with remote apply and convenient off-site signing.